Good morning, it's your girl Boo here, you guys. Welcome again to another work with me, y'all. Let's make this money. It's Tuesday, you guys. Tuesday. I just dropped my kids to school and I turned on my Spark. So they just gave me an order before I even get to Walmart, and it's a good order, y'all. They give me it's a good order. So they gave me $20, 6 mayo, it's in 3 drops. So let's go get it. I am in a mood of making money today, y'all. I'm in a mood of making a lot of money today. Let's reach our goal today. I am in a mood of making money, y'all. Let's make the money. Let's make the money, y'all. So I already started my trip and it says it's ready. That's good sign over there. So we're not gonna waste no time waiting for the order because it's already it's already ready. So let's go. So you guys, she's finished putting everything in my car right now. So right now I'm about to take off. It's only 9 minutes to get to my first drop off. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Only 9 minutes for my first drop off. Oh, they knocked that thing down. My first drop off, y'all, and she only ordered 1 items. 1 item. Ooh. This place looks like they have dogs laying outside. Ooh. This is my second drop off, yeah. The order was big order. Second drop off. So right now we're going to our third drop off. Yeah. 8:44 right now, and we just received a shopping order. $13 is going 4 miles, and I'm only shopping for 2 items. Only shopping for 2 items. This is the only 2 items that she ordered. So you guys, I think Black Friday deals has started. So we may, is that my order? We may get orders for Black Friday starting today. So I just got an order. It's 9 mayos and it's 8 drop off. So I think this one is within those Black Friday deals, and it's $42. It's a good money. But we're dropping 8 different drops. So it's still good, still paying good for 9 mayos. So I'm waiting for them to bring it out. And this is my 3rd order of the day, y'all. 3rd order of the day, and it's almost 10. Almost 10. Yo, this is what Black Friday is doing to us. 4 TVs. 4 TVs, you guys. And I'm lucky it's not that heavy because I was helping the girl to put in here. I am so lucky it's not heavy. So right now, if they give me Black Friday deals, I'm gonna have to check first what the thing is before I even oh, I forgot to close that door. So we had to put all the chairs down. just dropped my first TV, you guys, and the customer was waiting for me, so I didn't have to lift it. The customer came to lift it by himself. So off to my second drop off. Second drop off, and all of these are going to one person. All this. Oopsie. Let me do this. It's 12:34 right now. 12:34, and I just now received another order, shopping order, and it's $13.97. I'm only shopping for 3 items, and it's going 3.7 miles. I'm taking this order because I'm not getting orders at all. It's slow, so I was like, why not take this order? You know? Hello.
Spark order?
Yes.
Oh, let's see.
So I'm delivering this. So the customer text said to text him when I get here, and he's gonna come get it. So I texted, and it's not here yet. It's been like 5 minutes. And he said to go at the back of the building, so that's where I am right now. So I think I should go in at this time. I don't know. Let me call. I just called him and he said he's coming up.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, I'm awake. I've been taking naps and naps, and I am awake. Oh my gosh, super slow. You can see my eyes, right? I was taking a nap, and it was a good nap, y'all. Good nap. So I am awake. What time is it? Let me see, what time is it? Come on, it's taking a long time. It's 2:43, y'all. 2:43. I'm awake because I heard beep, beep. That was an order. I got an order finally after like 2 hours waiting. I don't even remember when I took my last order. So, and it was $24, 6 miles, and it's 3 drops. 2:43, and my pickup time is 2:50. So I'm going to park in our areas. The deals for Black Friday has started, but it's super slow. What's going on? It's super slow, but parking lot are full of people picking up deliveries. So I don't get it. I don't understand where all these people coming from, because I never see them in my life. I don't know if they're using other apps. I have no idea. It's packed. The parking lot are packed, y'all. So I don't know. Oh, okay, so let me wait for this order. It's time to deliver my first drop. They all fell down. They all fall down. Oh, this was on a chair. Come on, y'all. Let me deliver you. Come on, get out of my car. Get out from my car, y'all. Come on. Come on. Ooh. My last drop off. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's 3:45 right now. I just received another order, $25, going 5 mile, 0.7, and right now it's 3:45, and the pickup time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, and it's 3 drops. So far, so good. What else can we say? So far, so good. Let's stay positive, y'all. We just got another order, you guys. It's a shopping order, $23. It's going 5 miles, and I'm shopping for 2 people. One of them have 12 items, and the other one have 13 items. It's right now it's 5, so I guess this is going to be my last order, because I think this is it. Shop it, and the delivery is gonna take us maybe to 5, almost 6, you know. So I guess this is our last order of the day, y'all. Last order. So I'm going to shop it, and yeah, let's go shop it. It's almost the end of our day. I love shopping orders, but when it comes to shopping for 2 people, I don't like it unless they're paying good money. So this one is not a good money with two people, with 2 shopping orders. But hey, yeah, you know it's been slow. So I better take this order. I better take this order. You guys, I'm done delivering all my 2 orders, and I think the day is over. They are sending some orders, the curbside orders, and I don't want to pick them because it's dark already, y'all. If it was a shopping order, I would jump on that, because I would only have to worry about only 1 drop off. When it's dark like this, I hate like looking for 3 houses, be like, oh, is he here, is he here? If I only have to worry about 1 drop off, that would be fine. So I'm on my way going at Walmart right now, because I need to get only 1 thing from Walmart. If they give me shopping order, I'm gonna take it, and if they don't, then I'm gonna call it a day. I'ma still be on until I'm done shopping for that 1 item, and yeah, I am out of store, y'all. I didn't get an order, so it's 6 o'clock right now, and I'm going home. This is what I bought for myself. I'm going home, y'all. And guess what we made today? Yes, 163, yeah. We made it. 163. I'm serious. I didn't know if I was gonna make this much money because how slow it was. So I am grateful, y'all. I am very grateful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.